Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. Top from my last haul, and they have the pants to match. So this one has that little crisscross and it ties around, relaxed fit, open in the back in this brown print, also in the black palm. They're $15.98, and then to match now they have these pull-on pants from Time and True. These have the elastic waistband, wide leg, same fit through the back in both of those colors, and the pants are $17.98. Also new from Free Assembly are these dresses. So they have the thin strap, that scallop trim, fit and flare with the pockets, and these are $36. So new from Free Assembly are these cardigans. These have the scallop trim in the light blue color, and these are going to be $24. Also new pull-on boxer shorts from Free Assembly. These have the elastic waistband, that little ruffle trim, how cute. And these are going to be $24. New cardigans from Free Assembly. So these were fully stocked. I was here the other day, and now they only have one of each. So they have that crew neckline, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, in that floral, also in the stripe. And I think these are $28. New tie front blouse from Free Assembly. This one has that oversized bow, the elastic scoop with the seam in the back, and these are going to be $30. Blazer from Free Assembly. It has a smaller collar with the lapel, tortoise button, same fit through the back. And then to match the blazer, they have these pants. These have that side button, cropped wide leg, elastic through the back. Pants are $32. And then the blazer is $40. New red, white, and blue from Birdie Bound. This has a smaller collar, Henley buttons. Look how cute the popsicles. And then they also have this blue palm. They have the little flamingos. And then to match, they have these new tennis skirts in that same blue. They have solid white, red, and black. And then also we saw this dress before, but now they have some new colors. And these are $24.98. No skirt from Free Assembly. This one has the side button, belt loops, that little beaded detailing. Has the pockets on the back. It says carpenter skirt. And they'll be linked down below. I think they're $30, the skirt says. Tier dress from Time and True. This one has the thin adjustable straps, that crochet kind of lace detail. Longer length with that same scallop eyelet trim, and the same fit through the back, and they're $27.98. No dress from Scoop. This one has that V-neck line, cap sleeve, longer length, same fit through the back. We saw this print in a top, and they're $34. Dress from Free Assembly. This one has the thin strap, elastic, and then this little cutout detail. I think this was an online only. They're online only little denim peplum tank from Free Assembly. It's a thicker material, and then it has that same fit through the back. Also online only, this halter neck dress with the pink and the red. Same fit through the back from Time and True. Online only Free Assembly dress. It has the sweater on top, the peplum skirt, same fit through the back. New dress from Time and True. This one has the square neckline, puff sleeve, in that same material we saw earlier, and they are going to be $19.98. They also have this new puff sleeve dress in the plaid. That one also comes in black, and that one's also $19.98. New sweat set from Celebrity Pink. So this French terry, this little lace trim detail, ribbed wrist with the kangaroo pocket, in the heathered gray, also in the pink. Sweatshirts are $20.50, and to match they have the shorts. So these have that elastic waistband, that same little crochet and lace trim through the front and the back in both of those colors, and shorts are going to be $14.50. So new pull-on shorts from Celebrity Pink. So these have that elastic waistband, the little button detail, same fit through the back, and these are $14.50. Denim shirts from Celebrity Pink. They have this smaller collar, scoop, button on the wrist, in the mid-tone Also in one shade lighter, these are going to be $21.50. To match, they have these wide leg jeans. These have the hard button, zip side pocket, seam detail. Jeans are $24.50. New super short denim shorts from Millie Bobby Brown. So they have the little dolphin hem, and these are going to be $21. New from Millie Bobby Brown are these denim shorts. So these have that raw hem. They're a little longer than the other ones, and these are $21. New top from Scoop. This one has the thin strap, this lace trim, flowy fit with the racer back in the light blue, and they are going to be $22. Also seeing a new color in these eyelet pants from Scoop. These have an elastic waistband, drawstring, that true jogger bottom in the green, also in the blue, and the bottoms are going to be $24. Have new graphics from the Casey Lee line, the little Casey, a new denim vest. These are going to be $30 for the vest, and then the tank is $16.50. Did I show you guys this top? I did an outfit idea with it. It has the thin straps tying the back. They also have this in a camo print, and they are going to be $25. New pink dress from Lay. This one has the V neckline, full buttons, that seam detail with the seam in the back. $31.50, and it also comes in the denim. I think we saw that one before. Sweater vest from Free Assembly. This has that rolled hem, sleeveless in the yellow and blue, the white and blue, and they're $24. Color in that eyelet top from Free Assembly. This one has the smaller collar, boxy fit. I showed it in the white, now they have it in the blue, and they're $26. Longer dresses from Time and True. So these have the V neckline, the elastic under the bust. I think we saw this style before, but now there's a new print, and they're $29.98. Sneak peek dresses from Celebrity Pink. These have the thicker strap, squared neckline, the little eyelet trim, that seam fit through the back. It comes in the pink, also in the blue, and they're $26. Also sneak peek from Celebrity Pink. This one has that cap sleeve, this V design. It's a linen look texture, midi length in the white with the blue flowers. Also comes in this pink, and they're $26.50. Here's the cardigans I was talking to you guys about in the last video. So they're from Time and True. They have that crew neckline with the short sleeve. It's like a little bit of a puff sleeve. In the blue, they have the oatmeal green and black. They're $17.98. Cute these new beaded tops are. They have the thin strap V neckline. In the peach, they also have the ivory. These actually kind of match back to this. It's the same color. The tops are, I think they're $12.98. But then the beige also goes with this one. The beading doesn't match really, but it's kind of good. New little lace shorts from No Boundaries. These come with the belt. And they also have them in white. I saw them somewhere. They got a different Walmart. Also new graphic tees. These are from Mighty Fine. They have that crew neckline. There's USA. First of all, I'm a delight. Love that for you. And then what's this one? These are like baby tees, late night. No puff sleeve top from Celebrity Pink. This one has that scoop neckline. The pointel fabric also comes in the green, and they're $16.50. The long peach dress from No Boundaries. It has a thin strap, scoop neckline, maxi length, seam fit through the back, and they're $21.98. I think I showed you guys in a shop with me, but they have these new baggy jeans. I showed them in my haul video, like where we went shopping, and then I showed you what I bought. But these are really nice from No Boundaries. They're mid-rise baggy. They have this light wash. The black is the color I got, and then the mid-tone, and they're $16.98. Style of pull-on pants from Athletic Work. So these look like they're more of a straight leg. They have that higher waistband, which they didn't have before, with the drawstring. They also have the pockets. In the navy, there's gray, a taupe color, and a green, and they're $12.98. Late Night Reading Club. These are $4.98. A striped tank. then they also have that in peach. And the shorts to match. Dress from Time and True. This one has that higher neckline, the embroidered detailing, long sleeve, elastic on the wrist. Also has the belt with the tiers, and then the same fit through the back. And this one is $34.98. Red trousers from the Devil Wears Prada line. So these have that side button zip. Looks like it's a tapered leg with trouser pockets on the back. Brought back this seam tee from Jessica Simpson. It has that high neckline, that raw hem detail in the peach, also in green, and they're $32. New print in this dress from Jessica Simpson. It has the flutter sleeve, the little ruffles in this watercolor, also in that paisley print. They're $36.50. Also new from Jessica Simpson are these little baby doll tops. They have the thin strap V neckline. How pretty is this lace detail? Squared in the back in that stripe, also in that watercolor, and they're $28.50. So having that watercolor print that they had in the dress, these pants. These are wide leg, flowy with elastic through the back. And it says they're under $27.50. New tie front tops from Time and True. These have that high neckline, this ruche detailing relaxed fit in the linen color. There's black, and they're $22.98. So new colors in that twist tee from Time and True. These have that crew neckline, that twist detail, same fit through the back in the red. We saw that purple and blue. New Millie Bobby Brown pajama sets. They have this little button down top. How cute with the little shells. They have a yellow floral, and then to match the little shorts. And then they have a little boxer short. So some new colors in these No Boundaries dresses. They have that elastic at the top, ruching, longer length in the red. There's also black and blue, and they're $12.98. Color in the eyelet top from Time and True. So these have that high neckline, sleeveless, the scallop trim, same fit through the back. I think they also came out with some other new colors that we didn't see in store yet, and they're $15.98. So in those striped shorts, they have these from No Boundaries, elastic waistband, toggle, fit and flare in the blue, green, orange, and then the little dolphin track shorts in the black, gray. There's red, pink, blue, and green, and those are $8.98. Drop tier nightgowns from Joyce Bun. This one has that lace trim with the V neckline, that drop tier in the palm print. Also comes in this floral. They have the gingham and then the green, and these are $24.98. How cute the little peach satin shorts are from Millie Bobby Brown. Like the ruffled trim. These are $12.98, and they also come in the blue to match. They have that Georgia peach tee, and then they also have that, what does it say, Marbella, and those are $16.50. Shorts are going to be $12.98. Also have a new pajama pant from Millie Bobby Brown. Has the elastic waistband, drawstring in that floral, also in the stripe. They're $24.98. The tanks have the thicker strap, scoop neckline, Henley buttons, also in that floral. The pants are $24.98. Tanks are $12.98. Pajama sets from Joyce Bun. These have the thicker strap, scoop neckline, buttons all the way down, that pointail material with the matching shorts in the blue, peach. There's plum and black, and the two pieces are $22.98. Oh, is it front sports bras from Avia? This is a seamless material. The back has that crisscross in the red, purple, white, the charcoal, and then the black, and these are only $14.98. New lace trim tanks from No Boundaries. So this is that stretchy material. They are a little shorter. In the pink, there's that orange and lavender, and they're $11.98. Print in the satin nightgowns from Joyce Bun. These have the thin adjustable straps, V neckline with the lace trim. Comes in the new blue with the purple. We saw the white. There's black with the strawberries and green, and they're $16.98. Colors in the tote from Time and True. So this one has the woven strap. That's what the inside looks like. Now in the camel blue and red stripes. We saw it in those stripes. These are $22.98. Also new from Time and True. It's a little basket with the gingham, and it's $22.98. More new summer jewelry from Time and True. I showed these somewhere, the little birds maybe on my other social media. They have those hoops, the little purple. We saw the green stones. I have to tell you guys, the little shells, I don't see them here. Those are so heavy. I could barely wear them just for a try on. They're similar to those. I showed them in the haul. They're all $8.92, but if you don't like heavy earrings, don't get those. Cute this little set is. Clear mules from Scoop. These have the round toe, the kitten heel. I think we saw them before in the green. That's what the green looks like. These are $38. So new buckle sandal from Madden NYC. So these have that square toe, that oversized buckle detail. And they're going to be $30. So I have a new color in these little ruche sandals from Madden NYC. These have that square toe. We saw them in that multicolor in the Walmart shoes. And they're $30. Color in the flats from Scoop. So these have that round toe, the little opening. We saw them in the red. These are $45. So new color in these slides from Scoop. These have the square toe, or like the little fish scales, and they're going to be $36. Slingbacks from Time and True. They have the espadrille, this one strap with the espadrille trim. These are $26.98. So new sneak peek item from No Boundaries. These have the round toe, completely knit. That's what the bottoms look like, and they're $28.98. So new from No Boundaries. These have the round toe, the little cutout with the sling back. Also sneak peek from No Boundaries. These have the little cutout with the lace-up detail. Almost completely flat, and these are $26.98. Sneak peek Time and True jellies. These have the cutout with that little back detail in the brown, also in the clear, and they're $24.98. So new from No Boundaries are these kitten heels. They have that square toe, the little butterfly detail, and these are $26.98. They come in the pink and then also in the brown. To end the video, thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.